For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
The Pi network is a somewhat peculiar case in the realm of digital forms of money. It has earned a considerable amount of consideration and premium, but then, you can't get it anyplace. The Pi coin has not been recorded on any crypto or non-crypto trade yet, and the best way to get it, basically for the present, is to mine it. In spite of not having a cost at this point, the Pi coin has a ton of devoted fans. The venture's straightforward reason and strong specialized establishment have proactively drawn in a significant number of crypto lovers. The Pi network has a functioning local area, and its client base continues to become dramatically step by step. Presently, the fundamental inquiry remains, will the Pi coin at any point arrive at trades and offer its holders a chance to cash out? Furthermore, assuming that occurs, what sort of cost could clients at any point hope to get for their newly mined Pi crypto? Clients can likewise pick to turn into a Pi hub. Be that as it may, it includes a fairly extended choice interaction and gives no advantages at this point. Pi hubs approve exchanges, so when the open mainnet is sent off and the Pi coin is recorded on trades, Pi hub proprietors will actually want to get a cut of exchange expenses. In the event that you trust in this task and its future, it tends to be smart to get your own hub. If it's not too much trouble, note that running a Pi hub requires utilizing power. As of late, the quantity of dynamic Pi hubs has surpassed 12,000. Every individual can have one Pi account, and 25% of all Pi coins have been designated to the Pi Center group. The venture has as of late sent off a shut mainnet, meaning just individuals inside the Pi environment can as of now use Pi for exchanging, purchasing, and selling for the time being. To purchase or exchange Pi coins, one requires to pass the kite confirmation first, the choice for which is irregular. The Pi network group is wanting to have a mass kite confirmation soon and anticipates that its clients should be finished with it toward the finish of March 2022. Since this digital money's future is so eccentric, numerous specialists are exceptionally moderate in their Pi network cost forecasts. The Pi coin neither has a cost history for us to break down nor has it shown how it answers the value developments of the crypto market and Bitcoin. There's no market cap or all-time high for us to use in our cost expectations, all things considered. All in all, what's left? All things considered, for a situation like this, most specialists must choose the option to go to unadulterated hypothesis. We couldn't in fact complete an undeniable crucial examination. To determine the genuine worth of any resource, one needs to assess its true capacity and existing use cases, the quantity of individuals utilizing or holding it, its future potential, the group behind it, etc. Contingent upon the resource, a portion of these variables will assume a greater part in deciding the resource's cost than the others. For Pi's situation, it's basically impossible to decide the real number of clients that will hold the coin once it goes live. Pi coin price prediction 2022. As per our supposition that Pi's cost will pursue the very directions that numerous other altcoins do, this digital money will have a meeting in the last part of 2022. On the off chance that the open mainnet is sent off as expected, we could see the Pi coin being recorded on trades in July 2022. Pi coin price prediction 2023. 2023 may be the year that the crypto business bounces back and recuperates from the ongoing bear market. The Pi coin is probably going to follow any market blasts that happen, so 2023 could see its value ascending to new all-time highs. Moreover, the general promotion for crypto can enormously help the Pi digital currency. It is amateur cordial, allowed to mine, and is associated with the Pi number. In the event that the publicity happens in late winter of 2023, its group can promote successfully on Pi Day. Another thing to note while making any future Pi coin value expectation is that it very well may be very rewarding for organizations to put resources into and embrace. For instance, it fits the measures Elon Musk has set for a digital money that might possibly turn into an installment medium in Tesla. Pi coin price prediction 2024. Our cost expectation for 2024 is that the Pi crypto will keep on rising. As we have referenced beforehand, Any kind of promotion in the crypto local area can enormously help this advanced cash, supporting its cost. In the event that the market doesn't recuperate and remains at a similar level it is currently, we don't see Pi turning out to be extraordinarily productive, yet it can in any case be a wise speculation. All things considered, in the event that you gained it for $0, any value the Pi crypto arrives voluntarily give you a benefit. Pi coin price prediction 2025. What will Pi be worth in 2025? In the event that all works out as expected, the digital currency will probably remain generally at a similar cost level for some time, similarly as numerous altcoins do. Under this situation, Pi will possibly rise when the market is blasting or when it gets siphoned by the local area or the devs. Obviously, in case it gets seen by a VIP or a major business, Pi's cost could rise dramatically, possibly in any event, going more than the $1. That, at the ongoing assessed flowing stockpile of 40M, which will just increment with time, would put its market cap generally at a similar number as the ongoing business sector capitalization of XRP. Pi coin price prediction 2026. Our Pi coin cost expectation for 2026 is that the digital money will figure out how to arrive at highs it has not seen previously. All things considered, we expect that this venture will earn more consideration as years go by, so just normal its cost will rise. The way that the Pi network has embraced a versatile first methodology will help it later on. The computerized world is gradually exchanging away from utilizing PCs to tablets and cell phones. Despite the fact that it is almost difficult to make a genuine Pi coin value forecast and name the Pi coin's future value, we can perceive that it can possibly become one of the main advanced coins. Pi coin price prediction 2027. What will happen to the Pi organize in 5 years? All things considered, the reality of the situation will come out eventually. On the off chance that all works out in a good way and the coin gets recorded as arranged as well as endures the accidents that will undoubtedly follow its prior conventions, then this computerized cash gets an opportunity to get by till 2027 and, surprisingly, become beneficial for every one of its holders. Taking into account Pi mining is free, all that you make from selling the digital money can in fact be a benefit. Notwithstanding, there's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that Pi mining could become unbeneficial that far later on. All things considered, anybody that has at any point attempted to mine coins realizes that the interaction has consistent losses. We question that even the generally low starting venture costs one necessities to pay to mine the Pi coin will actually want to counterbalance the halvings, expansion, and the rising number of diggers.